In this game changer video, we're here to talk about anaerobic digestion. In the background here, we have one of the 10 founding members of Cornerstone Renewables, Inc. We're at Clovermead Farms in Wellington County. This corporation consists of 10 anaerobic digester owners at present, from agriculture to industry, and are able to source 220,000 tons per year of organics for a greener alternative to garbage.
My name's Corb Whale and I'm farming here at Clovermead Farms. I'm a 7th generation on this farm, and one of the priorities for our farm and our family have always been to be sustainable. So a few years ago we looked at the possibility of building an anaerobic digester with the goal of providing a renewable electricity source to be able to reuse the heat, create our own bedding, and also divert landfill material. And we quickly came to the realization that in order to maximize our output, we needed to feed the digester appropriately. And by appropriately, I mean collecting material from off-farm that has high energy values, and couple that with the manure and the crop residues that we produced on-farm. So after working by myself for a while, I realized that we could really gain some efficiencies by working together. And we managed to form a group of 10 digester operators and come up with an idea that was really going to revolutionize our operations. The idea was to work together to have a common goal to collect food waste for all of our digesters at the same time, and thereby creating a very reliable destination for the food waste from the food industry, and by providing us as digester operators some stability with our electricity production.
We speak to a very wide range of waste producers. The farm sites and our larger sites are able to process different types of feedstocks. Farm sites generally can handle all post-consumer waste. So we're talking to the rendering plants, the meat processing plants, the food processing plants. In our bigger sites, we're able to handle a little more challenging feedstock in that we can handle product that's got packaging through our depackaging lines, which essentially takes the waste, sorts it, and we take the packaging, which goes one direction throughout the process, and then the liquid product is what we like and have in the digester, which creates the gas.
As an industrial digester, we joined Cornerstone to share in the costs of procurement, to share knowledge, share experiences, and to provide a better service to our customers. We're also a backup to each other, a diversion if product has to be diverted to another location. Having farm digesters in the group adds more locations, more destinations, logistics can be simpler. We can receive materials that they can't, we can remove packaging, etc.
What we have behind me is the 2 digesters. They're 3,200 cubic meter each. Those are the green domes, and just at the edge of that you'll see the end storage was a 4,000 cubic meters storage for the digest aids. These 2 digesters, we can handle about 200 tons a day of feedstock. Okay, what we have here is a solids receiving pit. And this is what separates us from the farm. We can take all kinds of food waste, from packaged goods, dated goods, anything from a grocery store, off-spec material from food processors, canned goods, glass goods, anything that's on a skid. This obviously here is from a grocery store. Yeah, we can take basically any food waste that needs to be decontaminated. And that's what separates us from an industrial facility from a farm operation.
Moving forward, Cornerstone's objective is to grow the business. We not only want to provide 100% of our own needs for the members in the group and create 100% of our electricity contract requirement, but we're hoping to be able to provide organics for other digesters already in the province. So some of the key factors in making that happen are going to be the geography of the other digesters. Obviously, hauling waste a long distance costs a lot of money. So the waste producers and the digester operators ideally will be geographically close to one another.